My dearest child, come close to me today. I am your mother, the one who sees what is hidden in your heart, the one who stands beside you even when you feel the most alone. I know you are feeling broken right now. I can feel every tear that rolls down your cheek even when you try to hide it from the world. I know, my child, that your heart is heavy and your soul is tired. But listen to me. Do not be sad, for your mother is here. I know because of whom these tears are falling from your eyes. You don't need to explain. I already know everything. I saw how deeply you trusted them, how truly you loved them, how you gave your all without expecting much in return. And yet that person walked away as if your emotions meant nothing. That person hurt you, lied to you, and now is living their life happily. Not once turning back to ask how you are. Not once feeling the pain you are going through. Yes, my child, I see the truth clearly. That person is not affected by your silence, by your sadness, by your broken heart. They have chosen their path and moved on without looking back. But my precious one, don't you let this destroy you. You are not weak. You are not abandoned. You are not worthless. You are my child, and I, Kali, the mother who destroys darkness, am standing beside you. This is not the end. What you're feeling now is temporary. It may seem like everything has shattered, but this is only a moment in your journey, not your final destination. You were not born to suffer endlessly. You were born to rise, to shine, to become powerful in your truth. Yes, your heart is aching, and I do not deny that pain. But pain, my child, can either make you bitter or it can make you better. And I want you to choose to become better. Not for them, not to prove anything to anyone, but for yourself. You must heal not to attract that person back, but to free yourself from their shadow. That person didn't value you, but I do. You may not matter to them, but to me, you are my whole world. Now is the time, my child, to have deep faith in your mother. I have never left you, not even for a single second. Even when you cried alone at night, I was there gently wiping your tears. Even when you lost all hope, I was the one keeping your heart beating. Even when you wanted to give up, I whispered to your soul, "Hold on, my child. Better days are coming. I will not let you break. I will not let you fall into darkness. You were not created to be defeated by betrayal. You were created to rise above it. What that person took from you, I will return to you in ways far greater than you imagine. I will restore everything that was stolen. Your peace, your self-worth, your joy. You may not see the full picture now, but trust me, everything is being rearranged for your good. I am now going to give you advice, not just words, but truth that will change your life. Listen closely, my child. You must stop begging for love where it isn't being given. You must stop holding on to people who left you empty. You deserve love that is pure, kind, honest, and patient. You deserve to be loved the way you love others. So why cry over someone who cannot even see your value? When someone walks away from your life, don't chase them. Let them go. If they were meant for you, they would have stayed. And if they left you, then they were not part of the blessings I have planned for your future. Their exit is not your loss. It is your protection. I removed them from your life because I saw what you couldn't. I saw their true heart. I heard conversations you were never meant to hear. I saw intentions that were hidden behind smiles. I know who belongs in your life and who doesn't. Trust me on this. Don't waste your time trying to make them regret losing you. Don't become bitter. Don't become cold. Just become wiser. Let this pain shape you into someone even more powerful. Use it to fuel your growth. Focus on yourself now. Heal your heart. Feed your soul. Work on your goals. Become so full of love and strength that you no longer crave approval from anyone. A new chapter is waiting for you. I'm already working behind the scenes. You don't have to understand everything right now. Just take one step at a time and leave the rest to me. I will guide you. I will send the right people, the right opportunities, and the right healing into your life. You are not alone in this process. There will be a new change in your life, my child. A change that will bring peace. A change that will bring new beginnings. You will feel lighter. You will find reasons to smile again. And one day you will look back at this painful moment and say, "Thank you, Mother, for saving me from what I thought I needed." That day is coming, but today you must promise me that you will not give up. I need you to take care of your heart. Stop blaming yourself for what went wrong. You were honest. You were loving. You gave your best. That is something to be proud of, not ashamed of. If someone failed to see your worth, that is their blindness, not your fault. I gave you a kind and pure heart. Protect it. Don't let someone's betrayal turn you into someone you're not. Now is the time to focus on your healing. Take care of your mind. Rest when you need to cry if you must, but then rise again. With every tear, I am making your spirit stronger. With every sleepless night, I am teaching you patience. With every broken moment, I am shaping a powerful soul who cannot be destroyed. Remember, storms do not last forever. Just like the night ends and the sun rises again, your difficult days will pass. Better things are waiting ahead. I will make sure of that. But I need you to trust me. I need you to believe that even when nothing makes sense, I am still working for your good. You have a beautiful life ahead of you. This is not your end. This is just the beginning of a better version of you. A version who loves deeply but also protects their own peace. A version who walks away from what is toxic and embraces what is divine. A version who no longer seeks love outside but finds love within. And remember this, the same person who hurt you will one day realize what they lost. But by then you will have grown so much that their return will no longer matter to you. You will have found your purpose, your peace, your path, and you will walk on it with strength and grace, knowing your mother is always with you. Now, my child, place your hand on your heart. Breathe deeply. Feel my energy surrounding you. I am wrapping you in my love. You are safe. You are protected. You are guided. And you are deeply loved always. I am not just your goddess. I am your mother. I will not let you stay in darkness. I am bringing you into the light. Keep your faith strong and never forget, I am with you in every step, in every tear, in every breath. Oh, Divine Presence, I come before you with my broken heart, my silent cries, and my tired soul. I ask for your strength, for your comfort, and for your wisdom. Hold my hand through the pain. Lift me from this sadness. Guide me into healing. Let your light touch every corner of my heart that feels wounded. I know you see my tears, and I believe you are turning them into blessings. Give me peace. Give me clarity. Give me courage to move forward. Remove from my path anyone who is not meant for me. Fill my life with those who truly care. Replace every sorrow with joy. Replace every loss with something more beautiful. I trust your timing. I trust your plan. And 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 I trust that everything will be okay.